Say you do go school. Now I will go degree. Now if you say no na be mo ayeye. And they say, and I say you do be red jumemu. Na wasua fiti unkura brim. Na eno aye wa brabo. Opedian.
The education is extra child life at the mouth.
You be a business, but then you need somebody with educational background. At the MiPROMO. I can say education has helped me a lot.
We share our mind, or more was it getting in
Obi betinya ko formal education so no nsua hwe obe bakana na braba he basa
school for no go.
Maybe a reason ne ko. So one for education ka wa brabo ho a. You be wia o.
Nye nipa ekura phone nyina na educated.
That's one no got 300 years. Nyansa ni na nyansa.
I mean, to me compare wow you more to a makola woman.
Yes.
Excuse me to say. Because they are making the money.
Serious.
But the name kola na abanidi education e key. One go school to